Welcome to Tech Tribe, your go-to channel for the latest in technological innovation. Today we're exploring the top 10 drones you can buy in 2025. Whether you're a beginner learning to fly, a content creator chasing cinematic shots, or a pro pilot looking for top-tier performance, this list has something for everyone. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep making fun and informative videos about the coolest tech on the market. Now, let's take to the skies. Number 10, Holystone HS900, best entry-level camera drone. The Holystone HS900 is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to get amazing aerial footage. Weighing only 249 grams, it skips FAA registration completely while still offering features that would impress even seasoned users. With a 4K Sony CMOS camera, you're looking at stunning 48 megapixel photo resolution. Whether you're filming beach landscapes or detailed close-ups, this drone delivers clear, vibrant visuals. Even more impressive is the 3-axis gimbal, which keeps your shots silky smooth, even in windy conditions. You also get smart GPS features like auto return home and intelligent tracking, making it a perfect pick for beginners. And with fast battery charging and an impressive 20,000 FT range, it offers serious performance at just $399. Number 9. Ruko F11 Pro 2, best for night and 6K video. If image quality is your top priority, the Ruko F11 Pro 2 is the one to beat. It features a 6K camera with a premium Sony lens, delivering incredibly sharp and colorful visuals that stand out even in low light. Its night mode makes it perfect for shooting cityscapes or evening adventures, while the 3-axis gimbal ensures stable footage at all times. 2 batteries provide up to 70 minutes of flight time, and with a 10,000 FT transmission range, you're free to explore. Add in GPS features like Follow Me and Waypoint planning, and this drone becomes a top-tier choice for content creators on a budget. You can grab this one for around $399. Number 8. XPro Limitless 5. Best range on a budget. The XPro Limitless 5 offers unbeatable value for drone enthusiasts seeking long-range flight without breaking the bank. With a massive 3-mile flight range, it's perfect for explorers and aerial content creators alike. Its 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system helps it glide smoothly around trees, buildings, or other barriers. The drone's brushless motors ensure stable, quiet performance, while the 3-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization deliver buttery smooth 4K Ultra HD footage. Dual cameras provide flexible shooting options, and GPS tracking adds flight data overlays in real time. You'll also get features like gesture control, Follow Me, and surround mode, which makes filming dynamic scenes effortless. With 30 minutes of flight time per charge, this $640 drone is ideal for hobbyists who want premium features without the premium price. If you're serious about range, the Limitless 5 is your best bet. Number 7. DJI Flip, best entry-level cinema drone. Looking for your first cinema-quality drone? The DJI Flip is made for beginner filmmakers. At just 249 grams, you don't need to register it, and it's packed with safety features like propeller guards and obstacle sensors. But it's the camera quality that really stands out. With 4K 60 video, 48 megapixel photos, and 10-bit color, the Flip performs like a pro-level device. You can fly it using the included remote, your smartphone, or even the built-in aircraft controls. It's user-friendly, safe, and gives you cinematic results without the complexity. Expect to pay around $480 for this little powerhouse. Number 6. Hover Air X1 Pro, best for sports and action. The Hover Air X1 Pro is a dream drone for capturing fast-paced sports and action scenes. It's incredibly light at just 191 g, yet it packs a punch with a top follow speed of 37 mph. Its standout feature is the ultra-wide 140-degree field of view, perfect for filming everything from skateboarding to trail running. The drone's compact, foldable design includes a simple one-button interface and a directional toggle for quick mode switching. Fully enclosed rotors enhance safety and make it great for close-range filming. New to the Pro version is a rear proximity sensor, helping avoid collisions during backward flights. Smart tracking modes like middle follow keep you perfectly in frame. Battery life maxes at just 10 minutes, so extras are a must. Starting at $4,999, it's affordable, especially for creators who want cinematic motion without lugging a big rig. It's also one of the quietest drones, ideal for stealthy, distraction-free filming. Number 5. DJI Mini 4 Pro, best overall drone. If you want the best all-around drone, look no further than the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Weighing just 249 grams, it skips registration but packs a punch. You get 4K 60 HDR video, a quad-buyer camera, and full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, making it smart, safe, and cinematic. One of the standout features is its APAS system, which lets the drone navigate automatically, even through tight spaces. It also supports vertical 9:16 video, ideal for TikTok and Instagram. With the extended battery, you can fly for over 45 minutes. It's perfect for enthusiasts and semi-pros who want advanced features without the bulk. It comes in at around $750 and it's worth every cent. Number 4. DJI Air 3, best obstacle avoidance system. The DJI Air 3 is built for confidence. It comes with a dual-lens camera, a 24mm wide, and a 70mm telephoto, letting you switch perspectives easily. But what really sets it apart is its 360-degree obstacle avoidance, making crashes nearly impossible. Whether you're flying manually or using automated features like Follow Me, Hyperlapse, or Waypoint flights, this drone handles it all effortlessly. It's also equipped with Remote ID and ADS-B, so you're fully compliant and visible in controlled airspace. Great for both hobbyists and professionals, it's priced at $1,099. Worth it for ROI, TS intelligence, and reliability. Number 3. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus, best for photography. Photographers, this one's for you. The Autel Evo Lite Plus features a 1-inch sensor and 6K video, plus a variable aperture, a rare feature in drones. You can control light levels directly on the drone, meaning no need for extra filters. It supports 40 minutes of flight time, 3-way obstacle sensing, and shoots 20-minute raw photos, ideal for post-processing. Its design is compact, and the flight is ultra-stable even in windy conditions. Though it lacks advanced autonomous features, the camera performance is unmatched at this price point. This drone usually sells for about $1,949. Number 2. DJI Avata 2, best racing drone. Want speed and adrenaline? The DJI Avata 2 brings the thrill of drone racing with incredible first-person view, FPV capabilities. Its new motion controller makes flying feel intuitive, almost like playing a video game in real life. It has tough build quality, excellent stabilization, and a super wide-angle lens, allowing you to pull off cinematic moves at high speeds. Whether you're zipping through trees or racing across open fields, this drone is designed for extreme action. Perfect for racers and creative content makers looking for that unique FPV footage. You can find the full combo set for around $1,289. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, best for professional video and cinema. Taking the crown is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the ultimate choice for professionals. It features a triple camera setup including a wide telephoto and medium lens, all mounted on a powerful 3-axis gimbal. The camera system includes a Hasselblad main camera, delivering 5.1K video and stunning dynamic range. It supports Apple ProRes, 10-bit D-Log, and every setting a filmmaker could dream of. Its 46-minute flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and premium build make it a powerhouse. Whether you're filming documentaries, real estate, or commercial projects, this drone is the gold standard, and it starts around $2,999 and goes up depending on the bundle. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly drone to start your journey or aiming for cinematic-level performance, the top drones of 2025 offer something for everyone. From entry-level gems to pro-level beasts, each one on this list is packed with power, features, and value. Which one are you flying into 2025 with? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest in drone tech and reviews. Happy flying, and we'll see you in the next one.